Welcome to my channel. So today you're going to learn about configuration keys or license codes, whatever it is. So we have the concept called the license codes and configurations keys available in finance and operations. So the main use of this will just come to know when you purchase the finance and operations, all functionality is included. Okay, by default, some features and functionality that you do not use may be enabled. So the administrator should disable the features that are not needed by disabling license codes and configurations key. Okay, so like whenever a license codes, I'll just show you here. Under the configuration, you'll have the license code, configuration keys, configuration key groups. So when a license code or a configuration key is disabled, the associated module or a feature is removed from the user interface. Okay, in user interface you have a different modules, different like functionalities, right? So if you disable these configuration keys or a license codes, what's going to happen is in the user interface, which is a finance and operations, that features are going to remove. Okay, large sets of functionalities such as modules are controlled by license codes. Okay, all the modules are controlled by license codes, and this many license code in return enable configuration keys that allow you to enable and disable functionality at a more detailed level. Okay, so these are the main these are very important. License codes and configurations are very important for this finance and operations application. Okay, so for more videos, subscribe. Bye bye.